Welcome to the Honda Power Equipment video on the HS720AM snow thrower unpack and setup. Here's a list of items you'll need to properly set up your new Honda snow thrower. A clean gas can with fresh gasoline, a small funnel, a 10mm wrench, a 12mm wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, and some clean rags to wipe up any spills. Snow throwers are heavy. Have a friend or neighbor help you unload your new Honda snow thrower. Briskly pull the flaps open and then remove the cardboard inserts. Remove the chute and set it aside. Remove the plastic bag with the owner's manual and bottle of oil. Be aware that the plastic bag may have shifted during transportation and be under the snow thrower. The plastic bag contains the owner's manual and a bottle of engine oil. Read the owner's manual to learn how to use your snow thrower safely and take full advantage of the snow thrower features. Keep the owner's manual handy so you can refer to it when you need information about your snow thrower. Have a friend or neighbor help you lift the snow thrower out of the box and set it on the floor. The snow thrower was shipped without oil in the engine. Do not attempt to start the engine until you add oil. To add oil, unscrew the dipstick and set it aside. Pour the oil into the engine. When oil begins to run out of the filler neck, the level is correct. Then reinstall the dipstick, screw it in until it's tight, and wipe up any spills. Now you can remove the yellow warning tag on the starter grip handle. Locate the model and serial number on the frame below the engine. Record the serial number in your owner's manual and on the registration card. Register your new Honda snow thrower online at powerequipment.honda.com. Unfold the handlebar to the proper position, making sure the control cables do not bind or catch. Once the handlebars are in position, tighten the two 12mm nuts securely. Then remove the protective packaging. Remove the spark plug door to make sure the spark plug cap is installed on the spark plug. Then reinstall the door. Next, you'll need to install the chute. Place the chute over the discharge opening and line up the screw holes. Place the 3 screws through the holes and attach them with the nuts provided. Use a 10mm wrench to hold the nuts while tightening the screws. Be sure the screws are securely tightened. Once the chute is installed, make sure it has full range of motion. Before starting your snow thrower, the fuel tank should have fresh gasoline from a clean container. Warning: gasoline is very flammable and the fumes are explosive. You can be burned or seriously injured when refueling. Always refuel your snow thrower in a well-ventilated area with the engine stopped and away from any source of flames or sparks. Remove the gas cap and fill the tank. Be careful to not overfill the fuel tank or spill any fuel. Reinstall the gas cap and tighten, and wipe up any spills before starting the engine. Do not use fuel containing more than 10% ethanol. Before starting the engine, move the snow thrower at least 10 feet away from the fueling source and site. To start the engine, turn the fuel valve to the on position. Turn the stop switch on and pull the choke. Then lightly pull the recoil starter grip until you feel resistance, then pull briskly. Once the engine has started, push in the choke. To stop the engine, release the auger clutch lever if engaged, and then turn the stop switch to the off position. Then turn the fuel valve to the off position. Thank you for choosing Honda snow throwers. Refer to the owner's manual for clarification and more detail on the processes shown in this video. For additional resources, visit us online at powerequipment.honda.com.